Okay, so in this question, we want to sketch the rational function having a horizontal asymptote y equals to 0 and the vertical asymptote x equals to 2 and minus 2, all right? Okay, let's start by tracing our asymptote. So y equals to 0 is going to be a horizontal line and going through 0. So this is going to be my horizontal asymptote. All right, which is the same axis of the axis, right? Y equals 0. And then after that, I'm going to do the vertical asymptote. So I'm going to assume this is going to be, all right, let's say this is minus 2 here. And let's say this is going to be 2 over there. Okay, so minus 2 here, 2 here, this is x equals to 2, this is x equals to minus 2, this is y equals to 0. All right. So now the graph, the possibility of my graphs is going to be, because they are asymptote and you are not supposed to cross them, it's going to be my graph looking like this, going downward, going this way. So I'm putting the possibilities, right? And those are all the possibilities, how the graph is going to behave. Now, I don't really know what's going to happen here, so that's not my concern. We'll figure out later on. Now, because the vertical line test, I cannot keep two on the same side, right? So either I'm going to keep the top or the bottom, and hopefully the information later on is going to tell me that, right? So let's follow up. So the y-intercept is 0, 1/4. So 0, 1/4, this is going to be my y-intercept. Let me pick up 0, 1/4. So this is going to be 1 point. So I have a y-intercept, right? Now it's telling you that there is no x-intercept. So what the meaning of this? Now x-intercept, it means the graph is not going to intersect this section over here. All right. We know we're not having problem with the other branches because we know they are not going to intersect the axis because y is asymptote. But over here, we don't know. So the only possibility left, if you want to pass through this point, all right, and do not cross it, it means you don't have any of these asymptotes on the bottom. So this asymptote here and this asymptote here goes away. So a better graph for this is going to be something going this way, going all the way. Gonna have this one is kind of a parabola shape, and then bounce back. So this is how it should be. Now, it's telling us that it's symmetric to the y-axis. So the y-axis is this one. All right. So try to make this branch over here and this branch as symmetric as possible. Okay. Now, we still have the issue with this. So let's go with the next information, which is path through the point 3 minus 1 over 5. So 3 minus 1 over 5 is located 3 over here after this asymptote, and minus 1 over 5, it should be negative. So it should be somewhere here. So if I'm having a point here, then the only part you're going to stay this one here, and the top part must go. And you remember the symmetry, right? So we still have the symmetry according to the y-axis, all right, which is this one, the y-axis. All right, so if it is symmetrical, we're going to keep this shape over here. Let's see, this shape is going to stay, and this side must go. Now we can graph it a little better. So this is going to go this way. Make sure it's symmetrical to this one. This one is going to go down, turn around, this way up. And this is supposed to be 3 minus 1 over 5. this is supposed to be this point 0, 1/4. And you're all set. This is how it should look like, all right?